With the name of Allah, the kind and the merciful. My Assalamu alaikum and good greetings to all of you, all my, all my brothers, Muslim and non-Muslim, to all the world. Today is 11th May 2025 and it is celebrated internationally as Mother's Day. Mother's Day is common subject and topic of respect for all the world, for all the communities of the world. This is my song, Mother's Day, written by me, i.e. Manzar Hashmi, a Pakistani poet. I desire if it should be included in the salary of kids of UK and other Western countries, then it is a spiritual song. It will strengthen spiritually and ethically and morally kids. It is effective, influencing, and appealing. If O level, A level, and such other international institutions and curriculum wings wish to include it in their own curriculum or syllabi, they can contact me through email. My email address is manzarhashmi786 at gmail.com and spellings are MANZARHASHMI 786 at gmail.com. H H you recite sometimes H and we Pakistani recite it as H. But it is not any complicated matter. All the world knows and understands the pronunciation, some difference of pronunciation among different communities and countries. So I am reciting my poem, and it is a song type, Mother's Day. Please listen it and enjoy it. Mom, you are fairy of sky and heaven. Mom, you are fairy of sky and heaven. Rise me early morning when at 7. Rise me early morning when at 7. My breakfast, dress and shoes ready. Leave me school when out of town daddy. Guide me daily when I homework right. Values to me teach, not quarrel and fight. You are beyond high than space and sky. Truth you are teaching and hate with lie. You are mercy kind heart and divine blessing. You are mercy kind heart and divine blessing. Angels with surprise. You are virtue guessing. You are pious decent and you are noble soul. You are pious decent and you are noble soul. You are pious decent and you are noble soul. You are princess of paradise as a whole. You are princess of paradise as a whole. You are not God, but blessing of God. You are not God, but blessing of God. And your prayers, our prayers we sought. And your prayers, our prayers we sought. Last verse, last verse. Manzar the Mother's Day, today celebrate. Manzar the Mother's Day, today celebrate. Manzar the Mother's Day, today celebrate. Mother's feet paradise and heaven gate. Mother's feet paradise and heaven gate. Mother's feet paradise and heaven gate. Greetings to all mothers of the world.